Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, or not yesterday, but on Friday. Yesterday meaning the last time the market was open, but that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 590 was that area of resistance coming into today, and that is going to be one of the newest areas of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 590 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because the more I think about it, they just really don't matter in this situation. What situation am I talking about? Well, when the price acts a certain way, then it just doesn't matter, and that's what how this chart has been acting. What do I mean by price acting a certain way? Well, you look at where the lows have been. Or better yet, if you picture these as stair steps, as long as these stair steps keep getting constructed in the upwards direction via those higher lows, then everything else, given enough time, will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So really right now, just focus on continuing to do what it's been doing, go through healthy consolidations, chip away and build higher bases, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.